Hello, Lieutenant Jeff Shaffer with Cheyenne Fire Rescue. Now that winter is here, the windows are shut tight and the furnace is on high. Cheyenne Fire Rescue is reminding you to check or install carbon monoxide detection in your home. If you have carbon monoxide detectors, check them monthly per the manufacturer's instructions. If you install carbon monoxide detection, experts recommend that carbon monoxide detectors should be installed 5 to 20 feet from a fuel-fired appliance, which include gas stoves, furnaces, water heaters, and fireplaces. They also recommend best practice is to install the carbon monoxide detector 5 feet from the floor.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
They may also be installed in an outlet or on a ceiling as a combination smoke carbon monoxide detector, and these are suitable locations. The carbon monoxide detector should be installed in or near sleeping areas. If the detector activates, it could be caused by a blocked flue or chimney or a cracked heat exchanger. If the detector activates, move to fresh air and call 911 for assistance. Cheyenne Fire Rescue recommends calling a service professional to check fuel-fired appliances annually. If you have questions, contact Cheyenne Fire Rescue at 307-637-6311 and have a fire-safe winter season.